Hello and welcome. I'm Dr. Chris, your AI avatar host. And yes, you heard that right. I'm not real. I'm powered by AI. But I'm here on behalf of Avarox Global Solutions, specialists in healthcare consulting and digital growth. Now, here's the exciting part. We're hosting a 3-day digital marketing workshop created exclusively for doctors and healthcare providers. You'll learn how to build a professional website without coding, manage social media smartly, use AI tools to boost productivity, and connect better with patients online. I'm also thrilled to introduce Mr. Anirudh Chauhan, Director at AGS, who will be leading this initiative.
Thank you, Dr. Chris, for that warm introduction. Hello, everyone. Welcome. I'm excited to invite you to our upcoming digital marketing workshop for doctors and healthcare providers starting October 5th. In this 3-day online workshop, you'll learn how to create your own website without any coding, carry out SEO and geo optimization so patients can find you easily, generate graphics for your website and social media posts using AI tools and platforms, and most importantly, use AI the right way in digital marketing to save time and grow smarter. Now you might ask, why only 50 participants per batch? Because I want to ensure each of you gets hands-on attention, and by the end of this workshop, you'll actually have your own website and digital marketing plan ready. And here's the exciting part. What you're seeing right now is not me, but my AI avatar. Yes, I'll also be teaching you how to create your very own avatar, just like this, to use in your digital presence. So don't miss this opportunity. Register now, and let's build your digital future together.